this video, we will demonstrate the application process of Alccocrete, Alccotech's Microconcrete, a high-performance ready-mix microconcrete designed for repairing damaged concrete elements in your building projects. We provide two variations of microconcrete, tailored to meet different strength requirements: Alccocrete General Purpose Microconcrete and Alccocrete High Strength Microconcrete. Both require only water to create a smooth, free-flowing mix. It's important to have the right equipment for the job. Don't forget to wear your safety equipment for protection. Also set up the formwork tightly around the damaged area, ensuring it's straight and secure to hold the concrete as it sets. Now, add water to a suitable mixing container, about 80 to 90% of the total water needed. Please refer to the technical data sheet for accurate water measurements. Slowly add Alccocrete while stirring continuously for 3 to 4 minutes. Use the remaining 10% to 20% water to get the right consistency, ensuring the mix is smooth and uniform. Remember to add the powder to the water, not the water to the powder. Let the mixture stand for 5 minutes to release any air trapped during mixing. Then, pour or pump the mixed concrete into the formwork. Once the concrete has hardened, remove the formwork. The repaired area will be strong and perfectly shaped. To ensure durability, it is essential to cure the concrete by spraying water 3 to 4 times daily for at least 7 days. Choose Alccocrete for durable installations you can count on. As an ISO 9001 certified company, Alccotech prioritizes quality management and customer satisfaction. Our products meet GREHA's environmental performance and sustainability parameters and are featured in their product catalog, making it easier to achieve GREHA compliance for your building projects. Contact us to learn more and get started today.